Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the London session. Today is July 11th, 2025. I am currently watching Bitcoin for a potential short position here. Let me take this Fibonacci tool off and we'll see what we have here. This is the trade that took place, or this is the price action that took place in the afternoon. And then there was a market structure shift here at this level, but then price traded back through the high here. So I set up the Fibonacci levels to the next potential market structure shift, which happened here. And we have a new session here. Here. So currently, this is the high here for Bitcoin. We can see Bitcoin price was delivered to the sell side, consolidating here back to the buy side, sell side, buy side, and now we're getting this sell side displacement. Fair value gap here, fair value gap here. This fair value gap, this lower fair value gap has already been tested here, and just the way that I trade these reversals, I want to see, or at least I measure my reversal from the high or low of the session, and then look to find any fair value gaps in any kind of displacement, and then set up the Fibonacci retracement tool here to track that retracement, and then pull back to at least the equilibrium here to get a fair price, where price up here being at a premium, which would be ideal place to sell, and price down here being at a discount, which would be an ideal place to buy. So I want to sell right when we get to the equilibrium, or if price action drives price higher than the equilibrium level for an entry, then I'll get a premium price, but at least I want a fair price, or at least a valued price here. So right now, looking at pullback potentially to that equilibrium level, and anticipating price to pull back to this level, and then price be delivered to the sell side again, sweeping this liquidity here, potentially continuing here, or potentially pulling back again here. Obviously price as well could just come, could just be delivered here to the buy side, and through the high end of the range here. But this is what I'm seeing. Ideally, I want to see price action fail to get above this level, which would be this being candle 1, this being candle 2, and this being candle 3. Technically, you can put a stop above candle 2 or candle 3 here, and also put a stop above this wick here, or potentially this wick here. I've just chosen the high of the range just out of consistency. I want to choose the high and low of the range and trade based off of the high and low of the range. So this is why I have my chart set up here accordingly. Let me back up and set the high and low of the previous range here. this one's already been tapped into. This one's been tapped into. So just updating the session highs and lows here. So everything behind here would have been taken out. And trade it through. Trade it through. Take it out. Take it out. Okay. So this is still holding. That's holding, taken out, taken out. Okay. So now we're looking up to date here. So if I get an entry here by or within the next 37 minutes here. So with the London Open happening 23 minutes ago, I want to give this trade window 60 minutes to set up and or give me an entry within that time window. So now seeing the pullback or the retracement come in here. And ideally price action will reverse by this level here, which would to me indicate the strength of the fair value gap, or at least the fair value gap being in play, with price action failing to go above it, which I could put, as I mentioned, the stop above either one of these two levels, but just the way that I trade these for one-to-one, and just try to use the edges of the range. So my stop currently is just above this level. 118,396 is the level, so this is 20 cents above the high of this range, which is also the current all-time high. So using this as my anchor point here for my Fibonacci retracement, and then potential take profit down here at the lower edge of the range. And more buy side delivery here as price retraces from this displacement here to the sell side. So price attempting to rebalance here after this inefficient delivery of price here to the sell side. Buy side delivery here, some speed. So now just considering the risk to reward ratio here If placing the stop, let's say above candle 3, taking an entry here, and then going for target here, so a very small risk here and a larger reward. But that is not my trade currently, but that trade idea could work out. But based on my back testing, that's not how I'm set up to trade currently. And since I'm interested in higher probability trade that happens often enough, then I don't need to push for a risk to reward beyond that currently. And some buy side delivery here with speed. Price trading near the 117.850 level. So right now, ideally looking for a test of the 117.920 level to get an entry here on Bitcoin during the London Open. Some more buy side delivery and some consolidation here. And some sell side delivery with speed. As price trades into the fair value gap. So price reacting from that fair value gap, trading down to the 117.800 level. Some buy side delivery, 117.820. 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. And 30, a little over 30 minutes remaining until I want to see an entry. Price now up to the 117.880 level. So about $20 away from a potential entry here. Price testing the previous 15-minute high. Previous 5-minute high. And price has traded above the previous 5-minute high. And price being delivered to the sell side currently. Trading at the 117.820 level. And buy side delivery with speed. Price consolidating around the 117.850 level. $117.820. $117.8. 117.880. 117.750. Consolidating here, getting a reaction. Another strong reaction here, or price consolidating here between 117.750 and 118, or yes, 118 or 117,800. Back at 117,800 with buy side delivery here. Price consolidating here. $117,820. $117,850. $117,800. $117,880. $17,800. Price consolidating here at this level. So this could just be pullback from the buy side delivery into the fair value gap, which would be showing the price delivery to the buy side at the very least slowing down now at 117,880. Consolidating here. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. Overall buy side delivery in this candle. Price consolidating between 117,850 and 117,880. Price trading at 117,800 level and consolidating here. Now getting buy side delivery 117,850. Price consolidating. $117,820. Price consolidating back to 117,850. Buy side delivery with speed. Price potentially prepared to test the previous 5-minute high. Price approaching the 117,880 level. 117,875.7 holding. And 117,900 buy side delivery with speed. A new 5-minute high and an entry, and price trades through the candle 3 of the fair value gap and further buy side delivery. Price trading up near the 62% level. Now getting some sell side delivery. Price trading at 117,950. Sell side delivery from the high of 118.24.8. So price consolidating between 118 and 117,950 currently. Price back at 118. More buy side delivery. Price testing the 118.50 level, 118.80. $118.50. So this is why I like to place my stops at the edges of the session, just due to the fact that price action can get aggressive during these potential reversals. Price trading at the 118 level, now trading down near the 117,980 level. So wanting to be in a position to be able to absorb some drawdown, but still be in a position where be able to make a profit as well. So not being greedy, as in that trade idea that I mentioned earlier, where putting a stop above candle 3 and the risk to reward potential, but not trading that because that would be too risky of a trade, with me having a fair value gap in the middle of a swing leg. So with the swing high of the leg being up here, and the swing low of the leg being down here, having the fair value gap here is a good location for the fair value gap, but wanting to have at least the protection of a swing high in this situation of going short, being more ideal for my trading style. So being able to enter and hold during drawdown on trades, and then being able to take reasonable profits from any potential winning trades. Had I taken the trade that I mentioned just on the fair value gap candles, I would be stopped out of this trade, but some trades I would trade would work out. My win percentage would be lower, but my risk to reward ratio, or reward to risk ratio, would be higher overall. So potentially everything would balance out, potentially with a lower win percentage but a higher rate of return on any trade, as opposed to a higher win rate and a lower percent of return on each trade. Personally, I'd rather have a higher win percentage and a lower return, just for psychological reasons, at a minimum. But having a high win percentage to me provides a level of confidence that I can appreciate after having a very low win percentage for a number of years. So getting sell side delivery in the current 5-minute candle, price trading near the 117.850 level and 117.880 levels, consolidating here. Now 117.900. So price consolidating here around my entry price of 117.914.2. So I was able to get a premium price here, just above equilibrium, into the premium area of pricing. So being able to enter the trade, but also being able to get a good price as well, where in the past I would just be more focused or interested in getting an entry, and may have taken an entry here at the high of candle 1 very easily, but trying to work on consistency. The market is going to do the same thing, but in a different way every day. But while that's happening, trying to recognize the things that are consistent and then apply consistency to my application of these things that occur day in and day out here. Price still consolidating near my entry, the 117.900 level. Price consolidating between 117.9 and 117.920. And new 5-minute candle, getting buy side delivery currently. Price trading near the 117.950 level. Now approaching the 117.980 level. And getting some sell side delivery here, 117.950. More sell side delivery, 117.920. 117.900. So about a $5 risk and about a $5 reward. So a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio on this trade. More sell side delivery, 117.880. And price approaching a new 5-minute low, potentially, from the previous candle. More consolidation here around the 117.900 level. 117,920. Price holding here, 117,925.1. Now sell side delivery, 117,900. 117,880. Again, price approaching a new 5-minute low. More consolidation here. Price back up to 117,920. $117,950 buy side delivery here. Price may want to test the previous 5-minute high, consolidating here. Sell side delivery, 117,920. $117,900, 117,880. Price approaching the previous 5-minute low. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. Price consolidating here at the 117,900 level. So if this candle stands, it would be a inside candle with price trading in between the high and low of the previous candle. 117,850, new 5-minute low. So price broke out to the sell side. Price trading now at the 117,850 level here with buy side delivery in this new and current 5-minute candle. Now getting sell side delivery. Price approaching a new 5-minute low and a new 5-minute low from the previous candle. Price approaching 117,820, trading through 117,800. Price consolidating here, 117,820. Buy side delivery, 117,850. Consolidating, 117,820. 117,800. 117,780. Sell side delivery with speed here. 117,750. More sell side delivery with speed. Price consolidating here. And sell side delivery with speed. 117,720. Consolidating, 117,750. Looks like price had a reaction down here near the 117,700 level. Side delivery now, 117,780. Sell side delivery here, 117,750. Price approaching 117,720. And price testing the previous lows of the candle and trading through 117,700. Consolidating. Reaction, buy side delivery, 117,750. $117,720 on sell side delivery. And price consolidating here back up to 117,750. $117,720, sell side delivery, consolidating, 117,750. Price holding here near the 117,750 level. Now sell side delivery. $117,720. $117,700. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. 117,680 with speed to the sell side. Consolidating here back to 117,700. New 5-minute candle. Sell side delivery 117,680. Price approaching a new 5-minute low. Price puts in a new 5-minute low, 117,650. Sell side delivery here. Consolidation. $117,620. Consolidation here, back up to 117,650. Now down to 117,620 again. 117,600. Consolidating. Just checking profit or take profit point, just confirming it's where I expect it to be as price is being delivered to the sell side. 117,620, 117,6. Sell side delivery with speed. 117,580. 117,600 consolidating. 117,620. 117,600. 117,580. Or sell side delivery. 117,550. 117,580. Consolidating here. 117,580. 117,550. Sell side delivery. 117,550. 117,520. Sell side delivery here. 117,520. Currently about $90 away from target. 117,500. About $70 away from target now. Price consolidating. 117,520. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current candle. New 5-minute candle. Some buy side delivery here. 117,550. And consolidating here. Some buy side delivery. 117,580. So price being delivered to the buy side with speed here. 117,620. 117,580. Some sell side delivery with speed. 117,600. So I'm going to let this trade play out here, getting closer to take profit, but now seeing some buy side delivery after 20 minutes of sell side delivery. So if all goes well, price will return to sell side delivery and reach my take profit. If not, then Bitcoin has quite a bit of work to do to stop me out by setting a new all-time high, which is certainly possible. But I'll check in a bit later and see how the trade is progressing or not. But this is One Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy, the London session.